Hi, my name is Arielle Jordan. I am a grief and trauma therapist, and today I want to discuss some specific resources I use to help the Black community heal from racial trauma. So, first, focusing on the inner resources, this is drawing from inner strength. This is resilience of ancestors and also the power of faith and spirituality. We also focus a lot on compassion through loving kindness exercises. I think this is crucial when it comes to healing the impact of racial trauma and increasing the sense of self worth. Externally, we focus on the strength of the Black community. So, this could mean support networks, this could mean cultural events, or just focusing on the richness of the Black heritage. Community cultural wealth is key. We integrate the rich tapestry of Black history, achievements, and cultural practices and use that as a source of empowerment and healing. I also incorporate acceptance and commitment therapy. It helps with accepting experiences, committing to personal values, and also mindfulness, being mindful of the present. Every time we do resourcing is very personalized, and I find what empowers them in their healing journey. Through EMDR, we build a foundation of resilience and pride that supports the healing of racial trauma, and it also helps the client unlock their full potential. I hope this was helpful.